to start the day off. I woke up at 6 a.m. in my hoodie, and honestly, the first thing I do every single morning is get some ice water, and then I get my coffee, because this is genuinely something that just gets me excited for the day. And yeah, then I'm just getting my water. Also, I started filming this video as like a morning routine, so you guys are gonna get like a lot of my day in this video. It's obviously like a vlog and a what I eat in a day. I made my bed, did all the morning stuff, and then it was time to go work out. Didn't film a lot of the workout, but it was amazing. Alright, I'm on this beautiful morning walk. Yippee! The workout that we did this morning was super hard. I'm very out of shape. I really haven't been working out a lot in the past couple weeks, so that was lovely. And then honestly, I just really wanted to go for a walk and keep my body moving, because it is only 9 o'clock and there's definitely a lot I can do today, but every single time it's so hard to get up in the morning early because we got up at like 6. I just have to literally remember that once you throw yourself out of bed, it might be hard for the first 5 minutes, but then the rest of the day is so worth it. And here's the random banana that I had with some water before my shower after my walk. So yeah, we put the dishes away, and then as for like a bigger breakfast or brunch, I just made some banana pancakes. I cooked up some chicken apple sausage. I gave us 2 eggs each. And yeah, it was a really, really good breakfast. And then Dean actually cut up a ton of fruit right around 12 o'clock. Really filled ourselves up. And then we went outside, and we actually decided to longboard. I'm very bad at it, but it's super fun, and we longboarded to get some coffee. I got this banana latte. I didn't even know those existed. I'm just setting this up.
Yeah,
6 hours?
say hello.
Hi.
I'm Sophie. I'm from Canada.
Ah, so fun. I look like a mess. I didn't know I looked like this.
I'm Hugh.
Love it. Okay, so Dean and I longboarded and got some coffee, chilled out and talked for a little bit, and then Esther and I last minute decided to do a sunset shoot, but and I really want to see Esther anyways, but it's just rainy. I thought it was gonna be like a nice sunset. As for dinner, I actually just cut up some potatoes and I seasoned those a little bit, and I just put those in the oven, cooked that for about, I think, 30-40 minutes. Dean was cooking up some seasoned chicken breast, and then I also just cut up some lettuce and added some Caesar dressing to that, and it was amazing. Honestly, this was probably a little bit on the healthier side. I'm normally snacking a lot during the day, like with crackers or hummus, and every day is different. This was just today. Like I said, I didn't start the day intentionally like, okay, I'm gonna film what I eat in a day. Like, I kind of was going throughout my day and I was like, oh, this would be a cool what I eat in a day, because it's just practical, realistic, it's different. Every day is different. I'm just giving my body what I need, and a New Year's resolution is to really just try and cook more and eat out less and teach myself how to make healthy things that I enjoy at home. But yeah, overall, just make sure you're taking care of yourself and feeding yourself. Your body deserves food. I love you guys. Thank you for watching to the end. Comment a banana emoji if you did, because I would say bananas are my favorite fruit. Or comment your favorite fruit emoji. Just do that. I love you guys, and I will see you soon. Adios.
Oh!